You ever wake up feeling like you just can't get moving? Like no matter how hard you try, motivation is nowhere to be found? You're not lazy, your brain is actually working against you. Stick around, because I'm going to share why that happens, and how to fix it fast. Lack of motivation isn't a character flaw, it's how your brain is designed. According to research from Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford, motivation doesn't just appear. It's triggered by something called the dopamine cycle. When you only chase rewards, like scrolling or watching videos, you burn out your brain's dopamine receptors. That leaves you feeling lazy, unmotivated, and stuck. Here's how to fix it. Don't wait for motivation, trigger it. Start with a tiny, achievable task, something so small it feels silly. Like making your bed, drinking water, or writing down one goal. This taps into the success momentum effect, mentioned in Atomic Habits, and completing small wins kickstarts dopamine naturally, which makes bigger tasks feel easier. Motivation isn't magic, it's momentum. Start small, and watch your drive build automatically.